Man, my dad is so annoying sometimes. Sometimes I really wanna call him a name, but if I do, I would get in trouble. You know what? I am just going to call my dad a couch mini head. I do not care if I get in trouble at this point. Dad, come down here please.
What in the world do you want, spoiled brat?
Couch mini head, 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 couch mini head. Now what are you gonna do, loser?
Caillou. You just freaking triggered me. How dare you call me a cough mini head? You know that's not my name. Call me Dad, that's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 7,777, 9,999, 444,444, 9,999, 2,222, 44,444, 88,888, 333 years. Go to sleep.
Well, rip my ears.